What's up, guys? You already know who it is. JK Adventures coming at you with a fresh new video.
And today we are doing a
multi-mashup mix unboxing. We got a couple items from a couple different drops of what you guys already love and dearly respect us for. And then we have a little surprise
that we've never purchased before in our lives.
And if you ever have money problems, you probably don't want to watch this because I think we basically just threw away some cash.
It was for the video and I think we're gonna wear them. Are you ready to get started?
I'm pretty much excited. I can't
Before
wait.
we get started, what do they have to do?
Make sure you like, subscribe. So boom, stay tuned. You're in for a good unboxing video.
We're gonna get started with, hold on.
Boxes are last and they're going under.
Boxes are last. We mix up the bags.
We're having a little technical difficulties.
No, that one doesn't say your name. Unboxing videos, they're just so complicated. First bag is from
Supreme.
You guys already know we have a problem. Let's check out the stickers first.
Oh yes, I wanted that sticker.
Which one?
The Mona Lisa sticker.
No, I thought you wanted the other one.
Oh, and the octopus sticker. You want me to open these up?
No. Open them. Hurry, the people want to see.
Oh, okay,
Oh,
that one's cool.
cute. I
want that one. So you already know we gotta show you the stickers. Cute little elephant sticker. Hopefully you guys can see that. Let me figure this out quickly. Boom, that one's cute. Boom, little cute sticker. Second sticker, the Mona Lisa. So let's see what's inside the bag. I'm a big sticker guy, I like the stickers.
So we got 2 shirts.
A shirt.
We got shirts for the first time. We've never gotten shirts before. We got the octopus one.
And I think this is the bone one.
Good
I can't lie though, the octopus one, the
looks nice.
coloring is so amazing. That's really nice, I can't lie. The bones one, rocks one's pretty cool too. Very basic, but the octopus one is what I really wanted, so glad I got that. That's pretty cool. Ooh, second item. I'm gonna get to open one.
Alright, this is from the second, that was from a couple weeks ago. This is last week.
Oh, yes. Yes, I got the octopus sticker in this one.
Oh, I got it too.
Oh wow, you got the octopus and the
that one
elephant.
again.
So cool, we can split.
Damn!
You don't even stick them on anything.
Neither do you!
I'm waiting for the right items to stick them on. Let me show them the octopus one.
Oh, that one's really cute. I like that one.
It is the pants. These are the first clothing items we've actually bought from Supreme. So.
Yeah, we've never bought pants, like clothes. Oh, these are cute. They got a little zipper on the bottom.
Oh, really?
Yeah, look. That's cool.
Yeah, they're stretchy. They're pretty stretchy.
Yeah, they're
It's cool though. Oh, they got a zipper pocket in the back. The zipper pocket's pretty cool. The zipper feels buttery. You know, I like buttery zippers.
I like this. Oh, and they got pockets.
Supreme badge on the back pocket. That's pretty cool.
This is
Supreme
cool.
all along the side. Oh, if the side pockets were zippers, game over. Would have been game over.
Yeah, but they're not. But they're pretty like tight in there.
Yeah.
Oh, you
mesh
got a
on
little
the
pocket
inside.
on the inside for your like keys and stuff.
Yeah, cool. Well, these are cool. I'm not mad at these.
I like that they're like little, like they're not like,
Yours
they're
is
like
a cool
kind of
color.
soft.
Can't wait to wear this with my shirt and the finale piece.
If you guys think you know what's in these boxes, you guys should comment down below before we unbox it to see if you got it right.
You know, when people say that, do people really do that?
Yes, I do.
You really pause the video to comment.
Yeah.
We're gonna pull it out together.
Yes.
1, 2.
2.
All of mine are upside down.
3. Oh shit, mine came out with a bottom.
Woo! Big 500, y'all. Damn right. Yeah. Yeah, we did it. We did the Yeezys. Everyone has to do the Yeezys. You must own one pair at least in your lifetime.
At least one.
Even though they're probably the ugliest shoe you'll ever wear in your life.
I mean, we don't know that. We cannot judge it by what we saw online. We have to wait and see them in person. I mean, did we waste our money? We don't know.
Wow, these look like some cool shoes. They feel pretty cool. They're
This looks
solid.
really small for my foot. They're not that bad, but are they worth the hype?
Definitely has that new shoe smell. I'm not mad at that.
Oh my god, it says Adidas in the front.
for extra grip when you're using these for rock climbing.
Do you want to try them on?
I think so. I feel like this shoe, if you have big feet, it makes your feet look smaller. So that's a plus. Will I wear these out in public? Probably. To do what? Only God knows. Only God knows.
I mean, I feel like it's cool because they're like a solid color, so you can kind of wear them wherever you want. Like, you don't have to. I mean, besides the fact that they were $200.
The longer I look at this shoe, the more I'm kind of liking it.
Okay.
So, our conclusion. We wore these for maybe 10 minutes. They're still on our feet. My opinion.
What is it?
I know why the 4.5 sold out so fast. Because they look good on a smaller foot profile. Would I ever spend what I spent on these again?
No.
Yeezy, if you're watching this, please go for president so the value of these can go up. Because they will be living on my shelf for a very long time. I might whip them out quarterly, maybe quarterly, once a quarter.
Just to check on them.
Just check on them.
I think I'll wear mine.
I think if I put them on like a shelf in my room and watch them every day, maybe I might like them.
I think your all black outfit's killing it.
Comment on what you guys would wear with these. I'm thinking maybe some jeans.
I don't really know.
But JK Adventure is going to do a photo shoot real soon. Wynwood, we're coming for you. We're going to probably be wearing some hype gear. Probably bring a couple changes of outfits.
I don't think they're that bad.
They're okay. They're okay. Out of a scale from 1 to 10,
they're like a 6.5.
I'll give it a solid 6.5. What they're made for, I would like to know. So if you guys would like to see us testing these out on a sport, maybe on an activity, we would definitely be glad to do it. Maybe.
Okay, Kirk. I have a few questions. So in conclusion, what are your thoughts on the Supreme gear first? Hold up. Don't bash anybody. Supreme first.
Supreme. First time buying actual clothing from you. Will it fit me? I guess we'll find out if you ever see me wearing them. But our fitness channel has fully taken off and we've been working out, so maybe in another month or two, it might be too big.
Oh shit.
But I'm not mad at the quality. The pants are really cool. I like it.
I like them too.
And the shirts, the octopus one that I really wanted, the print is phenomenal. Very bright, very vibrant, very amazing.
Now, let's address the elephant in the room. The Yeezys. What are your thoughts?
I can see why they don't sell out. That's number one. Mm-hmm. I know he's a man that wants his stuff kind of out there and everyone can get it, but I don't think everybody is getting it. And the people that do get it to resell it
are making a profit.
Are making zero profit.
Alright, so
JK Adventures, you guys know what to do.
Don't forget to like, share us, and subscribe to our channel. I guess we're out.
See you guys later.
Bye.